Kinoikai School Deficit Hapo Kasengkhasi Jaintia Deficit School Teachers Association Kalapin Singo Shaka Sorkar Jala Bakadan Kami Kabai Sumar Pang Laniga reimbursement Kumbalong Kinong Tre Sorkar Yakani Lapin Paudo Babu Kular Kongjirem President Jakaseng Hadin Kachia Kando Bat Kibor Sorkar Kakatsan Tarik Unai Wing Aja Arpway Kawai par kajing dawa jong ka kaseng gade kajing siyo kinohikai kibampat yo ban kiu kerdan lani ka ACPS scheme.
Medical reimbursement, so far we have not medical reimbursement. We are teachers, we are not free, we are not we are not free from disease because we have our problems. Some teachers suffer from cancer, some teachers suffer from TB, extra. But each and every amount, each and every treatment, they have to pay from their own pocket. That's why we request the government to kindly give medical reimbursement so that the teacher can be able to afford the treatment inside or outside the state. This is also the genuine reason that we are placing in the government. We have also raised the ACPS, Assure Career Progressive Scheme. This scheme is purely for those who are denied promotion. If they are denied promotion, like deficit school teachers, because most of the teachers join as assistant teacher and also retire as assistant teacher. They are not able to promote to the post of principal or vice principal. Therefore, we urge the government, urge the chief secretary and the officers to kindly implement the recommendation of the 50 Commission to the deficit school teachers for the scheme of what ACPS. They call modified Assure Progressive Scheme so that the teacher will be paid according to the seniority.